Well, a cool, breezy, and crisp day, much cooler. Looking at temperatures now in the upper 50s. Step out of the way one more time. An unusually low tide. Actually, both the high and the low tides are higher and lower than average due to the king tide season. So that's why you have so much real estate down in Narragansett to Town Beach. It is a quiet, breezy day, and we'll keep things dry. One of the bigger weather stories, at least in the short term, will be the temperatures. They will tumble tonight. It's in the mid-50s in most areas right now, including 56 in Providence, 55 New Bedford, but it will tumble tonight as one of the coldest nights so far of the autumn season, with a freeze warning overnight into very early on Friday morning. I'll show you those numbers, but dry skies tonight right on through Saturday. Saturday is the pick day for the three-day holiday weekend. Unfortunately, still looking at a coastal storm Sunday and on into Monday with some rain and some wind, and some of the wind gusts may be rather strong along the south shore Sunday, Monday, and I'll talk about that in more detail in just a second. Satellite photos showing crystal clear skies. Boy, high pressure is large and in charge, and you see all this real estate around the high where there's not a cloud or storm to be found. So quiet in the short term as we move ahead now into the forecast and take you through the overnight. Watch the time bar right up in here under moonlit skies. That freeze warning in purple going into effect later tonight during the overnight hours. So notice by pre-dawn, 6 a.m., sun hasn't come up yet. Temperatures are generally down to about 30 to 35 degrees. So frost and freeze likely early on. Sunshine 9 o'clock in the morning, upper 40s. As cold as it will be early tomorrow morning at sunrise, it does recover to about 63 degrees during the afternoon. What's nice about tomorrow afternoon, there's less wind. You got plans to be out Friday evening, Friday night. Weather looks fine. No, chilly, but otherwise looking good for your Friday night. Saturday is still dry. Sun giving way to some increasing late day clouds, more comfortable in terms of the temps. Readings in the middle to upper 60s. Saturday night, you're out and about. Weather is still dry. Maybe enjoying some of the festivities, say on Federal Hill. Saturday evening, Saturday night, still dry for that. And then here comes the rain with a coastal storm. This is Sunday morning. Rain and wind will be on the increase. Let me show you the wider view, because this storm is coming up from the south. So here we are, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Storm system off the mid-Atlantic with a shield of rain and wind impacting the area. This extends into Sunday evening at 7 o'clock. System is just spinning to our south. Still in that same position generally right on through Monday morning and into Monday afternoon and Monday evening, with rain, drizzle, and wind right on through the entire day, unfortunately, on Monday. So here's the situation. Saturday looks great. Rain arriving by late morning, early afternoon on Sunday. I would say certainly by noontime, rain and drizzle. The remainder of Sunday on into Monday. Some strong wind gusts, especially along the south shore, and a coastal flood watch in effect for Sunday and Monday. At this point, potential for minor coastal flooding. We'll certainly keep you updated on that. Meanwhile, looking very cold early tomorrow morning with frost and freeze. Sunshine gets to work and warm things up into the lower 60s. Saturday is still dry and a milder day as well. Then here comes the rain and wind, unfortunately, both Sunday and Monday. Somewhat of a high-impact storm here, so stay tuned, especially for residents along the south shore, where some of the stronger wind will be found. Temperatures in the lower 60s.